So this is day 7 or 8. I haven't checked of filming myself in front of a camera. So I'm here in school today, and we are going to leave now. And this is the day before we go to our work immersion, which is we have multiple work immersions. We had Red Cross Red Cross, teacher, and LGU. So this is my business partner and my friend John Gurioso. Say hi to the camera, John Gurioso. Anyways, yeah, I guess this is it's a little nervous for tomorrow, and damn, it's so we are going to our respective field in early. It's early. Coming back from our topic, we are going. It's a little bit nervous. Hello, my name is Luis, and this is day 7 or 8 of speaking in front of a camera to improve my English communication skills. So it's a little bit noisy because we are departing or leaving our school, and this the day before we go to our work immersion for our work. Because in senior high school in the Philippines, we have a subject called work immersion. It's basically going to work. In STEM we have multiple options that we can choose from. We have Red Cross, teacher, and LGU. And LGU so probably you are not recognized with LGU. It's about it's office work in the government. Teacher is self-explanatory, and Red Cross is about voluntary helping in the hospital, I guess. Yes. So that's it for now.